Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today we are making little broomsticks for any Halloween project that you want. I am using a kebab stick that I'm just going to cut. You can use toothpicks, you can use twigs that you pick up in the garden, anything that can be a broom stick. And I'm also going to use this twine. I like this twine because it's kind of frizzy. It has little hairs coming out of it, so it looks really used when I attach it to the broomstick. You can use any twine that you want. And I'm just going to take a piece of cardstock. Doesn't matter what piece, I just want something to roll my twine around. And you need to roll it about 15-20 times depending on how thick your twine is. And it's got a little bit tangled. So what I'm going to do is just do this around the cardstock. And I'm going to align the twine one next to the other, trying not to put it one on top of the other. You can do this around your fingers if you want, just easier around a cardstock, I think. And once you're happy with the many turns you have of the twine, I think that's enough. You just cut the top to release all the twine, or the bottom, doesn't really matter. Just need to hold it so it won't run away from me. So now I have the twines all ready. And what I need to do is apply glue to the top where the fold is. You see they're folded basically because we only cut them on the bottom. So on the top they're still folded. So I'm going to use liquid glue. You can use a hot glue also. I always get burned with the hot glue, so I don't like to use it very much. A nice amount of glue, and then you simply wrap it around the stick. Don't worry about the glue, it will dry clear and you won't see anything. Just hold it until the glue dries a little bit and everything is in its place, like this. And then you need extra twine just to wrap it around on the top like this. It's not dry yet. I'm just going to wait a few more seconds. While I'm waiting, I'm going to add just a little bit of ink to the stick itself because I think it's too light. You can color it with stains or with acrylic paint or with ink like I'm doing. Just don't want it to be so clean. And then wrap the twine around a few more times on the top of the broom. Add a little bit of glue so it will stick. If you have a different color twine, you can do that. You can add that to the top here. A little bit more glue just to secure everything. Okay, and now once I want to make sure that all my broom hair is the same length, and I'm just going to fray it a little bit so it will look used. And if there are hairs that are not in the right length, just cut them out. I think it looks really cute. This can go on any project, any card, treat box, decoration, wall hanging, whatever you want. Of course, you can make it in different size. You can make it bigger or smaller depending on the project that you want it for. Isn't that cool? Really like how this looks. So I have my Halloween mini album that I've started working on. Don't worry, you'll get a tutorial on that too. It's an accordion haunted castle mini album, and this will look great on it. Definitely a great addition. So I really hope you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you like this tutorial, and I will see you next time.